You think you're practicing self-care, but you're actually in the wellness hustle. The industry thrives on your anxiety and burnout. First, it makes you feel not enough. Then it sells you the fix. That's not self-care. That's a performance loop, and I'm calling it out. If you're ready to actually hack your flow, hit subscribe. The 2024 Global Wellness Economy Monitor reveals that the wellness economy has grown rapidly in the aftermath of the pandemic and reached a new peak of $6.3 trillion in 2023 and is projected to grow to nearly $9.0 trillion by
Oh,
2028. What started as a push for better sleep and stress relief has become a high-performing machine, monetizing every ounce of your routine, your time, your healing. Let's talk about the model. 1. Create the discomfort. The industry starts by identifying your pain points, stress, sleep issues, burnout, and subtly reframing them as flaws you need to fix. It says, you're not just tired, you're unbalanced. You're not just overwhelmed, you need a nervous system reset. This isn't just language, it's strategy. It pathologizes your normal human experience. As Devin Price puts it in Laziness Does Not Exist, we've medicalized fatigue and turned it into a personal failing so we can sell the cure. 2. Offer the fix at a price. That's where the apps and products come in. Calm market stress relief through $70 per year subscriptions that turn basic stillness into a branded, narrated experience. They don't just offer peace, they monetize your need for it. Headspace has built a B2B empire by partnering with workplaces. Your burnout becomes their business model. Goop sells $150 detox kits, branding consumerism as enlightenment. It's not just health, it's identity, one you can purchase. Even biohacking tools like red light therapy, cold plunges, and nootropic stacks market rest as a luxury experience you must earn and upgrade. The strategy? Position natural exhaustion as failure, then sell enhancement. The message is clear. You're broken, but you can buy your way back to balance. It's not wellness. It's lifestyle branding disguised as healing. As Jenny Odell writes in How to Do Nothing, even our time has become an asset class, and real rest is radical because it refuses to be productive. What was once about rest, reconnection, and actual well-being has become another thing to optimize. We chase routines, track habits, and still feel like we're falling behind. For many of us, wellness has become a side quest for doing more, better, faster, not for feeling well, but for performing well-being. And that's not a coincidence. We are living in a culture that rewards performance over presence. And social media fuels this pressure. Aesthetic routines, curated calm, that girl productivity vlogs. All of it rewards visibility, not vitality. According to the Adobe Gen Z study, over 81% of Gen Z say they feel pressure to constantly improve themselves and show it online. That means even our self-care becomes social media content. Even our stillness gets scheduled. It's a loop of validation that never really lets you rest. Insecurity, product, performance, validation, more insecurity. Let's get honest. Most of us won't delete every app or disappear into a forest, but we can make space for something more real. Do it for yourself and don't post it. Let something good happen without anyone knowing. Let it be yours. Call rest what it is, necessary. You don't need to earn your downtime and you're not broken for needing it. Let things stay simple. You don't need a habit tracker to sit in the sun or a course to breathe. As Jenny Odell reminds us, doing nothing, really doing nothing, is an act of resistance. You're not lazy and you're not behind. You're just tired in a world that profits when you push too hard. Have you ever felt the pressure to perform your healing? Tell me in the comments. Let's stop optimizing. Let's start feeling.